So today we're shooting in this beautiful place in Mexico. I'm not sure what the name of the place is, but I'll put it down here. Without any further ado, let's get into the shooting and make some bangers today. The light is going down. We got a wonderful outfit for Simona, so let's see if we can maybe get a little bit of this beautiful water in the background. She likes it when the sun is in her face. Maybe she likes to get a tan while doing a shoot in the same time. Can you put the arms a little bit more up also? Okay.
Do you have a vision for photos or do we just freestyle?
I didn't come with a plan today. I didn't know where we were going.
Me too.
So if we freestyle together, we can make it work.
You know, I have an idea, but I don't think the light will be good there on the stones, on the
steps?
Yes.
We can try it. Pretty sure we will get some nice light. We get a little bit of the palm trees in the back. Just look a little bit to this side for me. Okay, move this a little. Oh, they look very nice. I think you will like them.
Oh yeah.
It's a very good place to do it. I like it a lot. Oh, I think it will look really good there. Go a little bit for a stranded pirates vibe here on the rocks with the sunset, the palm trees in the back. We got some boots with some attitude in there. Yeah, it looks amazing, right? Oh yeah. Let's see. I think you can come a little bit closer also my way. Oh, I like it a lot. I think I have some nice ones.
I think maybe I can sit.
It will look good. It really looks like it's your...
My land.
Yeah, your land. Okay. I don't know about you, but you see this pointy rock there? I like it.
Okay.
I don't know why I like it, but we will. I'm sure we can find a way to make it work. Is this one? Oh yeah, you can stand. You know, oh, like the pirate on the front of the ship. Oh yeah, this one will be amazing. Do it one more time for me.
Do you think something like that? I don't know. I'm gonna try.
Okay.
Attitude.
You can look not in the camera, but you look a little bit over it. Like you're too good to look into the eyes from the person. To my chest, somewhere here. Bam. Yeah. Sometimes as a photographer you have to do beautiful poses as well. Hey, everything for the shot. We need to get you as high as possible. I think from here. Oh yeah, this is gonna be a beautiful one.
Yeah.
Yeah, right?
I'm like the... I don't know.
The captain.
The captain.
Yeah, this is nice. Yeah. Oh yeah. And that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching these shorter POV style kind of videos. Do hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And as always, ciao ciao, bye bye.